What's up guys, this is Tampatec and this is my Atgames Legends collection. Soon there's going to be a huge summer deal, once a year deal. So if you guys are interested in any of these products, the summer deals are the way to go. Jump on that and save a lot of money. I'll leave a link in the video description below. Now in this video we're going to talk about my favorite products and my favorite features on those products. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I'm going to start off with my favorite product, the Legends Pinball. This one I probably spend the most time on, and the reason why is because you have over 100 pinball tables and you can connect a gaming PC to download even more pinball tables and play them on the Legends Pinball. There's a lot of fun mods you could do to make it more realistic. So right here, you pull back, and right here I can tell you right off the bat, I feel the feedback on the drop targets, the flippers, and the pop bumpers. And there's really no flipper lag, as you can see. Now on the Legends Pinball, I added a gaming PC. There's a keyboard mount that slides in and out like that. But this Alienware PC is very inexpensive. I believe I paid around $300 on eBay. Once you connect online, you can download more DLC pinball tables like Battle Deluxe. The Deluxe tables are really my favorite. I love the Deluxe tables. And also Volume 1, the Tato Volume 1 tables are really good, like Space Invaders. ArcadeNet, you can stream games on here. BYOG, bring your own games. You can play games like Galaga and Mist Pack on here. The vertical games work really well on this vertical screen. There's so many features. We can't cover them all in this video. And then if you go to settings, then you can switch to the gaming PC, or you can use the shortcut button by hitting that button up there. Then you go down and hit OK. Then you can switch to the PC. And then with the VIBS board, you can switch inputs on the back monitor. So now I have two outputs on the gaming PC. And you just basically buy a USB to HDMI splitter. My desktop image is Pinball FX3 back here. And then I also have a folder for all the images for the pinball tables. Now when I'm on the Legends Pinball, I'll show you what I normally play. Indiana Jones is really good. And Medieval Madness is one of my favorites. Let's go ahead and start that.
Single player?
Also, the haptic feedback works really well. Now, there might be a slight flipper lag on this setup, and that's because my Alienware PC is kind of old and it's not really souped up. But if you do experience some flipper lag, I highly suggest adding a little bit more RAM. Memory, maybe 16 gigs. As you can tell, the graphics look fantastic. You can also change the viewing angle if you press this button right here. Now this control panel right here I created. I just drilled 3 holes, added some buttons, wired them to the existing buttons, and then swapped out the D-pad for a joystick. If you guys really want, and I highly suggest, because you get a trackball, just get the Atgames Legends Pinball control deck. It's on sale. It's easy to swap out. Here's a little preview on the summer deals. Legends Pinball on sale, Legends Ultimate Mini, also the arcade control panel for the Legends Pinball, and of course the Legends Pinball tables, up to 50% off. Now over here I have the Legends Ultimate. This is the very first one that came out, and I have CoinOps X right now playing. You can actually auto start CoinOps X in the system settings, so it boots right into this mode. I think it looks really nice, and you can scroll down and check out all the games There's like, I think 1,000 games on this USB drive. Yes. So you can add tons of games on a USB drive and play them on the Legends Ultimate, which is awesome. That's one of my favorite features on the Legends Ultimate. You can also do the same on the Legends Pinball, but the experience on the Legends Ultimate is, I think, better just because it's built for it. Now, if you're wondering why I have two, the reason why is because this one over here, I can swap out the control decks. So I plan on getting a 4-player control deck so I can play games like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, which is a 4-player game, or Simpsons, X-Men. You can also connect the gaming PC to the Legends Ultimate and play high-end games. You swap out this control deck for the Gamer Pro, and then you can play the high-end games like Mortal Kombat 11 on the Legends Ultimate with the Gamer Pro deck installed on the Legends Ultimate. If you guys lack space, the Legends Ultimate Mini might be more up your alley. It has all the same great features that the Legends Ultimate has, but in a mini compact form. It actually has another feature where you can spin or actually rotate the screen and play virtual pinball. Now this says horizontal mode, this says vertical mode, and then you just want to spin it this way. There you go. And then it's going to detect it and auto rotate. And then you rotate this plexiglass as well. And as you can see right here, you got a flipper button and a nudge button as well. Now, if you want to add games like Pac-Man, Galaga, and Galaxin, check out the Namco Blast Adapter. Comes with the controller, but also works with the Legends Ultimate. HDMI connection goes right there. Plug in the micro USB to USB cable, plug it into a USB port, and hit the channel button, and that's pretty much it. Lower the volume a little bit. So hit the menu button right here, or the Atgames button, and if you want to quit, hit C. Let's try Pac-Man. Hit X and start. And lastly, I want to show you the Legends Core Plus. I have it connected to this monitor. It's an Inokin vertical horizontal monitor that you can rotate this way or this way, which is really nice with the Legends Core Plus that supports vertical and landscape or horizontal mode. The Legends Core Plus I have mounted right here using double-sided tape. You can also use Velcro. It has built-in Wi-Fi, but you can connect the Ethernet cable if you choose to. Here's the HDMI connection right here. Connects to the HDMI port on the Inokin 4K monitor. I have the USB drive plugged in on the USB port so I can play my add-on games or download more pinball tables. And the micro USB is for power, and that's connected to a USB port on my Inokin monitor that powers the unit. So when I turn on the monitor, it turns on the Legends Core Plus. And there's a green LED light letting you know it turns on. So right now I have it in portrait mode, which you can change in settings. And the reason why is because I downloaded Space Invaders. This is Volume 1, Tato Volume 1. Space Invaders, one of my favorites. Now the Legends Core Plus comes with the controller. This is a rechargeable controller. It has built-in haptic feedback. So when you're playing games like Space Invaders Pinball, you could feel the solenoids and drop targets and like slingshots and all that feedback on the controller. Go ahead and start. Now, just like any other Legends products, you're gonna have built-in games, your arcade net where you can stream games online, your lobby where you connect with friends, and BYOG, bring your own games. You can add games on a USB drive, and App Store X, where you can download more pinball tables and games. Also, open up CoinOps X, and right here is your settings where you can sign in and out and connect to Wi-Fi, switch to portrait mode, update. So let's go to games right here, and then hit the center button, and then you can go ahead and select arcade games, or you can switch to the Tato Volume 1, which that's what I'm going to do right here, and play my favorite one, which is Space Invaders Pinball. So you push down right here on the D-pad and release, and you use the trigger buttons to use the flippers. Now the Space Invaders are going to come and attack your bases, so what you're going to need to do is shoot the pinball at them to lower their health bar. You can also shoot the targets up here to shoot missiles at them. There's different power-ups as you see all throughout the playfield. Now every time it hits a slingshot, the ball hits the slingshot, I feel it in the haptic feedback. So the controller rumbles every time the ball hits a slingshot or a drop target. It's pretty nice. Now you can play this either in portrait mode or landscape mode, but of course it's pinball, so it's gonna be the best experience in portrait mode. And then when you turn off the monitor, it turns off the Legends Core Plus. If this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up. If you know anyone that might be interested in this video and these great summer deals, click on the share button below, share this video to them, help someone out. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Thanks guys for watching.